Introduction. JavaScript plays a pivotal role in creating interactive web pages. Understanding JavaScript objects is fundamental to mastering the language and building efficient web applications. What is a JavaScript object? An object is a standalone entity with properties and types. In JavaScript, an object contains a set of key-value pairs. The keys are known as properties, and they can be associated with functions known as the object's methods. Creating a JavaScript object. JavaScript provides multiple ways to create objects. The two most common methods are object literal syntax and constructor function. Object literal syntax. An example is provided to explain how to create an object using object literal syntax. Constructor function. An example is provided to explain how to create an object using constructor function. Properties and methods. Properties are values associated with an object. Methods are functions associated with an object. They define what an object can do. Accessing properties and methods. There are two ways to access or set the properties of an object: dot notation and bracket notation. Examples are provided to explain both methods. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Undefined property. JavaScript will return undefined if you try to access a property that does not exist. Always check whether the property exists before accessing it. Using a reserved word as a property name. Using reserved words as property names can cause errors. Always make sure that your property names are not reserved words. Tips and tricks. Use the this keyword to refer to the current object within a method. In JavaScript, objects are mutable. You can add, modify, and delete properties and methods of an object even after it has been created. Use the delete keyword to remove a property or method from an object. Conclusion. Mastering JavaScript objects enhances your ability to create dynamic and interactive web applications. Keep practicing and experimenting with different object properties and methods.